Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share chicken wings with chili garlic sauces recipe. Chicken wings 800 grams. Shallow cut on both sides. Dry excess water with paper towel. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 2 teaspoons. Onion powder 1 tablespoon. Ginger powder 1 tablespoon. Chili powder 2 tablespoons. Cashmere chili powder 1 tablespoon. Mixed herbs 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Corn flour 1/2 cup. Mix. Oil 1/4 cup. Mix. Done. Rest for 1 hour. Transfer the chicken wings to the baking tray. Baking them, temperature 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and flip after 20 minutes and continue. Flip. Spread oil. Continue bake it. Making sauce. Butter 2 tablespoons. Garlic 2 tablespoons. Spring onion 1/4 cup. Saute few seconds. Salt to taste. Black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Paprika 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice 2 teaspoons. Fry few seconds. Honey 1 tablespoon. Fresh coriander leaf. Stir and fry. Done. Add chili garlic sauces. Mix together. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.